Hiya, I'm Laura. I am a salon owner here in St Leonard's, and I also have taught in our local wonderful colleges. I have done a stint at Eastbourne campus and a little bit of a stint at Hastings also. It is fantastic to work with the new talent that's coming through, and just encouraging those people who want a career in the hair and beauty industry. I am a firm believer in the hair and beauty industry. It's becoming a bit of a dying art form. So many people are quick to go and do these one-day courses and think they're qualified and things like that. But to have a qualification from the college, you have years of experience from all of those wonderful lecturers and everybody behind the scenes that are able to really hone that skill, opposed to just a day course and boom, qualified. You're not qualified after a day. You need to embrace everything that the college has to offer you, and you really need to pick a career that is something that you're going to love. The education is free for a lot of you. For you youngsters, it's free. Take advantage of it and do something that you want to do. Don't just take a course for the sake of taking a course and just because you have to be at college. Do something that you are going to love, and trust me, with the hair and beauty industry, you will never feel like you're working a day in your life. It is wonderful, and the people that work in the industry are lovely, and it's just a lovely, lovely job to have. So we're based in St Leonard's. My salon is a hair and beauty salon. We've got some fantastic, beautiful staff that work here. Also, majority of them have actually all trained through East Sussex Colleges as well. So all homegrown students and staff that we have. We are a multi-award winning salon. We've got various awards from Best Workplace, from Best Hair and Beauty Salon, and we're just a very lovely team, and I'm very fortunate to have such a great team behind me. My start in the industry actually was when I was probably about 14. I was a Saturday girl in a local salon. And then when I finished my GCSEs, I became an apprentice. So I worked full-time in a salon and then did a day release. So I had fantastic training from the salon that I was working in at the time, and wonderful, wonderful experience at college. After I finished my qualifications, I became a salon manager, and I did that for quite a few years, and then a salon owner 4 years ago. I also have an independent academy that I run, so I do small, short courses, but predominantly that's for people already in the industry who are looking to upskill. And obviously I've done my assessor's qualification through the college as well, and I've taught at the college. So lots of things that I've done additionally over the years. Education, absolutely get involved, because you will never stop learning, and there is always something to continue your education with. As a parent myself, my daughter is due to start college next year, and she has picked East Sussex herself. Just purely, the campuses are just brilliant, high tech, everything that you need, wonderful. But for me, as the parent and as a member of the staff, I can see what goes on behind the scenes, and I can see that every student matters. It is the thought, the energy and everything that goes into those pupils, those students, is above and beyond. And it's just, as a parent, regardless of a teacher myself, it is just heartwarming to see what goes into making the student's life easy, to making it comfortable at college and making the experience enjoyable.